Greetings to you all. Welcome to Class 7, Term 2nd, Social Science, Unit 2, The Mughal Empire. Dear children, today we are going to do the book back exercise. So already you have dealt the lesson. So let us see the book back exercise today. In the beginning, let us see the summary, glossary. Then we will go to the book back exercise. Summary goes like this. Babur founded the Mughal Empire in 1526 after defeating Ibrahim Lodi in the Battle of Panipat. புரிஞ்சது இல்லையா? So Babur founded the Mughal Empire. Mughal Empire பண்றாங்க எப்போ 1526ல. How? After defeating Ibrahim Lodi in the Battle of Panipat. 1526. Humayun's unsettled conditions and Sher Shah victory over him in the Battle of Kannauj. Sher Shah's efficient land revenue administration and the introduction of coin system and standardized weights and measurements are dealt with in this chapter. In the chapter laye அவங்க எப்படி டிஃபீட் ஆனாங்க, how they overruled எல்லாம் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. Humayun's retrieval of the Mughal Empire and his untimely death leading to the accession of his son Akbar with Bairam Khan as the regent and defeating Hemu, the great general of Sar dynasty in the Battle of Panipat, 1556 are described. Akbar's military conquests as well as his religious policy are explained. Jahangir's disinterest in state governance leading to dominance of his wife Noor Jahan in the Mughal court is elaborated upon. இப்போ ஜஹாங்கீருக்கு இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இல்லை கவர்னன்ஸில், ஆனால் அவரோட இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் வேறு மாதிரி இருந்தது. ஷாஜஹான் extending Mughal rule in the Deccan and the resultant conflict with Marathas are analyzed. இங்கே ஷாஜகானோட முகல் ரூல் எக்ஸ்டென்ஷனும் பார்க்குறோம். Aurangzeb conquests helped to expand the Mughal Empire, but his policies against Rajputs, Marathas and Sikhs provoked resistance from them, paving the way for its downfall. ஸோ இங்கே அவுரங்கசீபோட இதெல்லாம் பார்க்குறோம். Mughal administration headed by the emperor, who in turn was assisted by various officials, is described. Akbar's Mansabdari system and the land revenue policy formulated by Raja Todarmal according to Zabt system are examined. Mughals' contribution to culture, notably to art and architecture, are highlighted. All right, children, all these things your teacher might have taught you very clearly. You can see the explanation part later. Moving on to glossary part. Expedition. It means a journey undertaken with the purpose of war. ஒரு போர் பண்றதுக்காக ஒரு யாத்திரை பண்றோம் இல்லையா, அதுதான் expedition. Prolonged. It means lengthy. நீளமான, நீண்டது. Subdued. It means conquered. Rebellious. Showing a desire to resist authority. Rebellious. தடங்கல் பண்றது, சரியா? Bestowed. It means awarded. Hereditary. Inheritance of a title, office or right. Enduring. It means lasting over a period of time. Now moving on to the book back exercise. Choose the correct answer. Shall we see? Who introduced the Persian style of architecture in India? இங்கே பர்ஷியன் ஸ்டைலில் இருக்கிற ஆர்கிடெக்சர், அந்த டெக்கரேஷன்ஸ் யார் கொண்டு வந்தது? யூ ஹவ் ஆப்ஷன்ஸ். ஹுமாயூன், பாபர், ஜஹாங்கீர், அக்பர். யார் கொண்டு வந்தது? பாபர். Second one, in which battle did Akbar defeat Rana Pratap? So Akbar வந்து ராணா பிரதாப்பை எந்த பேட்டிலில் வீழ்த்துறாங்க ஆர் தோக்கடிக்கிறாங்க? யூ ஹாவ் தி ஆப்ஷன்ஸ். பானிபத், Chauza, Haldigati and Kannauj. So he was defeated in Haldigati war. Third one, whose palace in Delhi was destroyed by Sher Shah? ஷேர் ஷா யாரோட பேலஸை டெல்லியில் டிஸ்ட்ராய் பண்ணாங்க? ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் ஆர் பாபர், ஹுமாயூன், இப்ராஹிம் லோடி, அலம் கான். ஸோ த ஆன்சர் இஸ் ஹுமாயூன். Fourth one, who introduced Mansabdari system? Who introduced Mansabdari system? System பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா, ஒரு சிங்கிள் சர்வீஸாக இருக்கிறது, பொசிஷன் ரேங்க் கொடுக்கறது, ஆல் தீஸ் திங்ஸ். ஷேர் ஷா, அக்பர், ஜஹாங்கீர், ஷாஜஹான். So what's the answer? Akbar. He only introduced Mansabdari system. Fifth one, who was the revenue minister of Akbar? So revenue minister of Akbar யாரு? Birbal, Raja Bhagwan Das, Raja Todarmal and Raja Mansingh. So revenue minister of Akbar யாரு? Raja Todarmal. Okay, moving on to Roman number 2. Fill in the blanks. Dash was the name of the horse of Rana Pratap. So Rana Pratap oda horse name enna? Chetak. Okay, Chetak was the name of the horse of Rana Pratap. Second one, Dash was a hall at Fatehpur Sikri where scholars of all religions met for a discourse. Discourse na ஒரு பேச்சரங்கம் அங்க. So Dash was a hall of Fatehpur Sikri. இது in Ibadat Khana. Ibadat Khana was a hall at Fatehpur Sikri where scholars of all religions met for a discourse. Third one, the Sufi saint who received Akbar's utmost respect was Dash. The Sufi saint வந்து அக்பர்ஸோட ரொம்ப ஒரு புகழாரம் நல்லா கிடைச்சது யாருக்கு? சலீம் சிஸ்டி. So Sufi saint who received Akbar's utmost respect was Salim Chisti. Fine children, moving on to fourth one. During the reign of Dash, the Zabdi system was extended to Deccan provinces. So during the reign of, reign means ruling. So during the reign of Shah Jahan, the Zabdi system was extended to the Deccan provinces. Fifth one, Dash were tax-free lands given to the scholars and religious institutions. Siurgal were tax-free lands given to scholars and religious institution. அது ஃப்ரீயா லேண்ட் கொடுக்கிறது. ஓகே, மூவிங் ஆன் டு தேர்ட் ரோமன் நம்பர். மேட்ச் த ஃபாலோயிங். பாபர், சந்தேரி. பாபர், துர்காவதி, சென்ட்ரல் ப்ராவின்ஸ். துர்காவதி. ராணிச்சந்த் பிபி, அஹமத் நகர். ராணிச்சந்த் பிபி. Din Ilahi, Akbar. Din Ilahi. Raja Mansingh, Jaipur. Raja Mansingh, Jaipur. Very good. Fine children. Moving on to section 4. True or false? Babur inherited Farhana, a small kingdom in Central Asia. Is it true or false? Did Babur inherit Farhana, a small kingdom in Central Asia? Yes, true. Second one, Humayun succeeded in recapturing Delhi in 1565. So that is wrong. So that is false. Third one, Aurangzeb married a girl of a notable Rajput family. So idu thappu. So that is false. Fourth one, Jahangir ordered execution of Sikh leader Guru Arjan for helping his son. This is true. Fifth one, during Aurangzeb's reign, architecture received much patronage. அப்போ அது கிடையாது. அவுரங்கசீப்க்கு வேறு இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இருந்தது இல்லையா? ஸோ தட் இஸ் ஃபால்ஸ். ஃபிஃப்த் ஒன், கன்சிடர் த ஃபாலோயிங் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்ஸ். புட் டிக் த அப்ராப்ரியேட் ஆன்சர். அசர்ஷன் அண்ட் ரீசன். ஓகே, அசர்ஷன் வந்து the British established their first factory at Surat. இதுதான் assertion. Reason, Jahangir granted trading rights to the English. So இப்போ assertionும் reasonும் கரெக்டாக பார்க்கணும். A, reason is correct for explanation of A. B, reason is not correct. Explanation of assertion. Assertion is wrong and reason is correct. Assertion and reason are wrong. So what's the answer? Reason is the correct explanation of A. So அது என்னது? the British established their first factory at Surat, Jahangir granted trading rights to the English. So moving on to second one. Assertion is Aurangzeb's intolerance towards other religions made him unpopular among people. Okay. Reason, Aurangzeb reimposed the jizya and pilgrim tax on the Hindus. இப்போ reason பார்த்துட்டோம் இல்லையா? So we did check with assertion and reason. A1, reason is correct, explanation of assertion. Reason is not correct, explanation of assertion. Assertion is wrong and reason is correct. Assertion and reason are wrong. So the answer is reason is correct, explanation of assertion. அதாவது Aurangzeb's intolerance towards other religions made him unpopular among people. Aurangzeb reimposed the jizya and pilgrim tax on the Hindus. Fine children, moving on to third one. Find out the correct statement. Either you have 4 statements, find out which is correct. Kamran was the son of Afghan noble Hasan Suri, ruler of Sasaram in Bihar. Second one, Akbar abolished the jizya poll tax on non-Muslim and the tax on Hindu pilgrims. Third one, Aurangzeb acceded the throne after killing his 3 brothers. 3 பேரை கொன்னிட்டு தானே வந்தாங்க. Okay, fourth one. Prince Akbar entered into a pact with Shivaji's son Shambhuji in the Deccan. So now here you have the options. First, second, third are correct. Second, third, fourth are correct. 1, 3, 4 are correct. 2, 3, 4, 1 are correct. So the answer is second, third, fourth are correct. That Akbar abolished the jizya poll tax on non-Muslims and the tax on Hindu pilgrimage. That's correct. Aurangzeb acceded the throne after killing his 3 brothers. Correct. Prince Akbar entered into a pact with Shivaji's son Shambhuji in the Deccan. Idum correct. Fine children. Moving on to fourth one. Arrange the battles in chronological order. Chronological order, order. First in the battle, second in a battle, third in a battle, like that. Fine children. Okay. இங்க கொடுத்திருக்கிற battles, Battle of Kanwa, Battle of Chausa, Battle of Kanauj, Battle of Chanderi. So these are the options given. So you have to arrange in chronological order. So first one was Battle of Kanwa. Second one is Battle of Chanderi. Third one, Battle of Chausa. Fourth one, Battle of Kanauj. Fine children? Okay. Fifth one, arrange the following administrative divisions in descending order. So administrative irukliya, so top to bottom, bottom to top. So you have to arrange in descending order. The மேல இருந்து கீழ அப்படியே வரணும். Fine children? Okay. So the things are Sarkars, Parganas, Subas. இங்க 3 இருக்குது. இப்போ மேல இருந்து கீழ எது first administrativeல top, upper second, third, like that. First one is Subas. Subas the first. Next one, Sarkars. Second, third one, Parganas. Fine children? Okay. Now moving on to match the father and son. So Appa, Magan, match the following. Fine. The father I'll read, son also I'll read. Now நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம், match பண்ணிக்கலாம். Father is Akbar, Daulat Khan Lodi, Hasan Suri, Babar, Uday Singh. So பசங்க பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்கா தில்வர் கான், ராணா பிரதாப், ஹுமாயூன், ஷேர்ஷா, ஜஹாங்கீர். ஸோ யாரோட பையன் யாரோட அப்பா பார்க்கலாமா? ஸோ அக்பர்ஸ் சன் இஸ் ஜஹாங்கீர். ஹூ இஸ் த சன் ஆஃப் அக்பர்? யூ டெல். ஓகே. தௌலத் கான் லோடி சன் இஸ் தில்வர் கான். தௌலத் கான் லோடி சன் யாரு? Hasan Suri's son is Sher Shah. Hasan Suri's son yaru? Babar's son is Humayun. Babar's son yaru? Very good. See, I'm giving gap to you to tell the answer. Understand? சும்மா இருக்க கூடாது. Uday Singh's son is Rana Pratap. Who is the son of Uday Singh? Okay, children, very good. So I hope all of you understood. We'll see the remaining things in the next episode, part 2. Don't miss to watch part 2 episode. Thank you, children.